Open is actually a little more interesting than it looks at first glance. Yeah, today's candle wasn't great, but when I zoom out, I still see a stock that's trying to build higher lows after spending quite a bit of time recovering from the bottom. The problem is that buyers ran straight into resistance around $5 and immediately got rejected. That's telling me supply is still sitting up there waiting. Right now, I'm pretty neutral on this setup. I don't think it's bearish enough to completely ignore, but I also don't think it's giving enough confirmation to justify chasing it. In my eyes, this is one of those situations where patience probably pays better than being aggressive. I'd really like to see price reclaim 504 with strong volume. If that happens, then I think buyers could start building momentum again and possibly challenge the next leg higher. But if price keeps failing underneath that resistance, there's a good chance we drift back toward 467 and maybe even 428 if selling picks up. One thing I do like is that the chart hasn't completely fallen apart after the recent rally attempt. Buyers are still trying to defend higher levels, which keeps the bigger recovery story alive. They just haven't earned the breakout yet. Honestly, I'm not touching this unless I see demand validate. There's no reason to force a trade when the market hasn't made up its mind. Sometimes the best position is simply waiting for confirmation and letting everyone else fight over the middle of the range. For me, this is a watchlist stock, not an execution stock. If buyers prove themselves above resistance, I'll pay attention. If not, I'm perfectly fine waiting because opportunities always come back around. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.